All right, here's a little tour of this old Honda generator. So it has a GX 240 Honda, 8 horse. It's pretty old. I don't know how old. I'm thinking 20 years or so. When I obtained it, it didn't have very good wheels or tires, so I just found these tires in the recycle area and put those on. It's just for a little work here and there on the base. And this outlet got burned a little bit there. I had to take this apart and rewire underneath, but it served quite well. It starts up like a normal Honda engine. There's a little gas tank. I don't know, probably 3 gallons. About 3 gallons. Yeah, we got a train nearby. Sorry about that. But let's see if it'll start up. Switch that on. If I could do it one-handed. And we got the gas on. And this is choke. That's a choke symbol there. You want to choke that when you first start it. And then this is the throttle. I kind of do like halfway when I go to start it. And it's got this on there. Yeah, we're short on funds. So I'll pull it until it meets resistance. A little bit. I'll step away a little bit so you can hear me. You can tell in the video on the sound that it runs pretty good. It started up, first crank, typical Honda engine. But I wanted to let you hear the difference between the engine in load and no load. So right now it's no load, it's just idling. So I'm gonna speed up the engine a little bit and then run the grinder on some metal and see if you can hear the load on the engine. It's just a little bit of a load for this engine. This engine's pretty big for the little bit of a grinder that I'm going to be using. Super handy. I love this thing. Starts right up, super old. You don't really care about it much, but when you get in a pinch, you rely on it because it's a Honda. I mean, Honda engines are amazing. Haven't done much work to it at all. And here it is, just sitting here. And I try to run it. After this video, I'm gonna run it until the carburetor's empty. and so that all that gas doesn't sit in this float here, the float bowl, and start getting gunked up. Every once in a while, maybe a year or so, I'll pull this bolt and get all the extra water out, and that's it. I mean, this little screw here, I pulled that out and then pulled this little wafer out and then put some carburetor cleaner in there, and it cleaned it all out real good. And then look how Honda makes these spark plug wires. You just pull on this to pull it out. I mean, you can't go wrong with Honda. This thing's super rusty. The muffler. And then the air filter is super easy to get to right here. So if you guys want to have any more videos about any more of this, just comment, and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching.